Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about my SUSTEAS glass pitcher that I have been loving for the summer. I've been loving this glass pitcher for so many reasons. I love the fact that you can either make hot or cold beverages. Right here I made a tea and I can have the peace of mind that the jar is not going to break. I also love making cold beverages like fruit juice or even a cold brew. I so appreciate that the lid, it's stainless steel, and I love that it has multiple holes. One allows you to enjoy that pulp of the juice you made, or the other one allows you to retain it. This is very easy to clean as well. I really appreciate that it has a wide mouth, so whenever I'm washing it, I can have the peace of mind that I can clean it very thoroughly. I would highly recommend this jar. I've been loving it, and I love that you can use it to prepare multiple drinks. So if you like cold or hot drinks, then this pitcher is ideal for you. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.